Hey everyone, we are out on a country road in Iowa. It's right across the Nebraska border. I'm only 15 minutes away from my house. I'm getting some shots for my art show. My art show is coming up in 3 weeks, and I want you to help me decide which picture from today to pick for one of my big prints at the art show. I already have an idea maybe of one or two of the other ones, but I'm gonna pick one shot from today to print pretty big at the art show. And candidate number one is right here. We have this really cool country road, and it's got a little grain silo thing, and then the and then the road leading to some other grain silos, and some cool hills and an amazing sky, and the lights illuminating the entire landscape. So it looks epic. I have to be ready to get close to this tree so the birds can kind of scatter and I get a shot of them in the sky. Got some Oakley shades on. Got my first pair of like decent shades. So I'm sporting them right now because it's so bright. And the sky, when the sky's like this, it's just too out of control. I keep stopping. This is literally, I was just right down there, and now I have another scene, and I'm gonna put the dead end sign in here too. I think I have a couple cool photos, but what I'm really doing, see that storm front? I think that's a storm front. It's a bunch of stormy looking clouds that are moving that way. So what I gotta do, hi bird, what I have to try to do is try to find a road that's gonna lead right into those clouds at some point. So they're moving this way, which is cool because then I can find a road that's like leading north. And then hopefully that road has something at the for us to go into, so it's not just the storm clouds, but it's maybe like a barn or a house or something like that. I don't have a lot of patience, so I might find that and be like, oh, I got like an hour, and then drive around and I'll miss it. But I still really want to get these clouds. These are amazing. Turning into the road that's gonna maybe lead towards the storm clouds that are real billowy and puffy. If those are the technical weatherman terms for those types of clouds. This is one of those nights where the light just keeps getting cooler, getting different. The clouds, the darkness, the bright road. This is cool. That bird is still singing. It's beautiful out here. Here's a possibility. It's a road leading into kind of near where those clouds are. And then I have those metal things at the top. Are those, what are they? I've been here my whole life. I've been in Nebraska and Iowa my whole life. I don't know what those are, but they're, at least they're leading us into those, which are getting hit really beautifully by the sun. So let's do this. Now, of course, the sun is ducked behind some clouds, so the ground is not as cool. So I'm gonna wait a few minutes. It should clear up and get some sun. Okay, we're gonna have a lot of country road options for my art show. I'm stopping and shooting a lot. Just trying to get the most out of the light. We'll see how this last one looked. I thought it looked pretty cool. The sky, the clouds are nuts. They're crazy looking. Help me pick some photos. Help me pick the best one from tonight, to print for my art show. Maybe it's gonna be the big one. I'm not sure. I'm gonna pick one really, really big. But man, it is beautiful out.